Magnesium citrate. What is it? Magnesium citrate is a magnesium preparation in salt form with citric acid. It is commonly used as a dietary supplement and over-the-counter medication. This form of magnesium is known for its high bioavailability, making it easier for the body to absorb compared to other forms.
How does it work for medicinal purposes? Magnesium citrate works by providing the body with magnesium, a crucial mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions. It helps regulate muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. As a laxative, magnesium citrate works by attracting water into the intestines, which helps to induce bowel movements.
What are the active ingredients that are important for its medicinal properties? The primary active ingredients in magnesium citrate include magnesium, essential for numerous bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, bone health, and cardiovascular health. Citric acid enhances the absorption of magnesium and provides a mild laxative effect.
Which conditions and symptoms does it help in men, women, or both? Well, magnesium citrate has been shown in studies and traditional use to help with the following conditions and symptoms. Constipation, for both men and women. It acts as a gentle laxative by drawing water into the intestines to facilitate bowel movements. Magnesium deficiency, for both. It restores magnesium levels, alleviating symptoms like muscle cramps, fatigue, and irregular heartbeats. Muscle cramps, again for both. It prevents and alleviates muscle cramps by improving muscle function. Anxiety, for both men and women. It reduces symptoms of anxiety by regulating neurotransmitter function. High blood pressure, for both. It helps lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Migraines, for both. It may reduce the frequency and severity of migraines. Heart health, for both. It supports cardiovascular health by regulating heart rhythms. Bone health, for both men and women. It contributes to bone density and strength. Diabetes management, for both. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. And for women, it reduces symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, such as bloating, mood swings, and irritability.
Which conditions and symptoms does it help prevent in men, women, or both? Magnesium citrate can help prevent chronic constipation for both. Regular use can help maintain bowel regularity, osteoporosis for both. It supports bone health, preventing bone density loss, hypertension for both. It helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, magnesium deficiency for both. It ensures adequate magnesium levels to prevent related health issues, heart disease for both. It supports heart health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes for both. It improves insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, chronic migraines for both. It prevents the recurrence of migraines with regular supplementation, anxiety disorders for both. It helps manage and prevent anxiety symptoms, menstrual cramps for women. It reduces the severity of menstrual cramps and sleep disorders for both. It improves sleep quality and prevents insomnia.
What forms does it come in? Well, magnesium citrate comes in several forms. Oral solution, which is typically used for bowel cleansing before procedures like colonoscopy. Tablets or capsules, which are commonly used as a dietary supplement. And powder, which is dissolved in water to create an oral solution.
What if I have an imbalance or deficiency? Magnesium citrate can help correct magnesium deficiency, which can lead to symptoms like muscle cramps, fatigue, irregular heartbeats, and mental health issues. Supplementing with magnesium citrate can restore normal magnesium levels and alleviate these symptoms.
When was it first used for medicinal purposes? Magnesium citrate has been used for medicinal purposes since the early 19th century, primarily for its laxative effects and later as a dietary supplement.
Which foods are rich in it? Magnesium citrate itself is not found in foods, but foods rich in magnesium include dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts and seeds such as almonds and pumpkin seeds, legumes like black beans and lentils, whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa, fish like mackerel and salmon, and of course, dark chocolate.
What are possible side effects? Well, magnesium citrate is generally safe for most people when used appropriately, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Common side effects, which occur in about 10 to 30% of people, include diarrhea or loose stools and sometimes stomach cramps. Less common side effects, seen in about 1 to 10% of users, can include nausea and bloating. Rare side effects occurring in less than 1% of cases might include electrolyte imbalances, particularly with excessive use, and allergic reactions such as rash or itching. What's the recommended daily dose? The recommended daily dose of magnesium citrate varies depending on the intended use and individual health needs. But common dosages are: for constipation, 240 to 480 milliliters of oral solution taken once as needed. For supplementation, 200 to 400 milligrams of elemental magnesium per day, which corresponds to roughly 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of magnesium citrate.
How many days does it take to work? Some benefits of magnesium citrate, such as relief from constipation, can be noticeable within a few hours to a day. For magnesium deficiency and its related symptoms, improvements can be seen within a few days to weeks of regular use.
What time of day is best to take it? Magnesium citrate can be taken at any time of day. For constipation relief, it is often taken in the morning or evening. For supplementation, it can be taken with meals to improve absorption and reduce the risk of gastrointestinal discomfort. Is it best to take it with or without food? Magnesium citrate is best taken with food to enhance absorption and minimize the risk of gastrointestinal side effects.